Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. It's Friday. So what's really happening on our economic calendar? You can see that we have PCE. But before we do that, please don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. So much stuff happening, guys. The market was just going up and down, but mostly the dollar was quite stronger, and we saw the market was actually selling, or the dollar was stronger, which means it was reversing in favor of the dollar. So it's Friday, and this is the last day of this month. So for those who wants to be part of the team, just know that this special ends today. From there, these prices are going to that prices. Do you see that? So let me show you again. These are the special prices which are going to end actually midnight. So from tomorrow, we taking over to this, guys. These prices, they've been actually affordable for quite some time. So now we have PCE, which is quite similar to CPI. So what's really happening? Around half past two, I will be on Nick's channel on a live session. We expect 0.3, or maybe the forecast, we can say it's 0.3%. So we expect that, or maybe even less. If maybe it's gonna be less, it's gonna be good news for the markets which are currently selling, because the stronger the dollar, that is not really good. It means that we will see the inflations going up if the dollar is getting stronger and stronger. Do you see that? So we want it to be weaker. If it's not gonna be that, it means we're gonna focus on the selling of whatever that we have to sell at that time, right? So I hope maybe for the economic calendar, I think that it's enough. So now let's run straight to our analysis. So what's really happening? DXY has been showing us some stuff here. You can easily see that, yes, we are coming from a very nice uptrend structure. It was going up very nice. But now this is obvious. The market is just consolidating. I've been talking about this consolidation after the market actually was starting to show us that it's actually reversing. And after that reversal, we start to see that, oh, the market is creating nice retests, going down, up, down. So obviously, it means we're going to have something like that. But we know that it's because of CP. It's CP. It's CPI and core PCE, right? PCE, it's PCE. So that is something that is going to actually change the way we see the market. Whether it's going to go up or down, it's up to the market, or it's up to that event. But at the moment, I feel like let's stay out, guys. I think we did not really have a very nice week. Yes, we did have some nice profits here and there, but we also had some reversals, and that is not really good. So which means we need to stay out. Let's wait for the news release, and then we can jump on the market, right? So on the other good side here, we also had a Euro USD yesterday in the group. So this was a very nice structure that we had. We came in from a very nice downtrend structure. At the moment, we can see that the market is consolidating the same way that we saw on DXY, dollar index, right? So we can easily see that we also have this nice ranging structure, but at the moment, we see that we are coming from this downtrend. Now we expect the market to do what? To continue going up. Do you see that? So this is what we see. I'm expecting to see the market going up, but just know that around this area, above that level, we have a very nice resistant area. So the question is, will the market touch this level? And after touching that level, will the market continue breaking? It's up to the market. It's up to the market. We saw that we had some aggressive news from CPI, so from Europe. Let me show you that again. Early today, CPI from Europe, they're all going up. They are all going up. So I don't really see them cutting the rate. So that will make Europe quite strong. You see that? So that's why we see Europe a bit stronger here. So next month, it's a problem because we were expecting all these economies or these countries to cut the rates, but it seems like nope. Inflation is still playing around, you see. So, but what I like here, we did smash this one, we're still smashing. So we are almost halfway towards our TP. If you're still holding that, please lock that profit or reduce your stop losses so that if maybe the market goes against you, you're not going to lose much. Or maybe we just keep eating. So here I'm just expecting the market to continue. There is a chance that the market can respect that, but since we have the news, that might change. We will see. So plus I'm doing this thing, this analysis quite late. It's to 1, so we left with like less than 2 hours before we see before the news release. So maybe we will see some movements very quick. So it's better to stay out of the market. So now we are on gold. The gold, it was actually going up very nice until we had this breakout. At the moment, we see that the market is just consolidating, as everything is just consolidating. From DXY, Euro USD, they are all consolidating. So which means we just expect the market to play around. But I think the better move is going to come, or a clearer move is going to come once we see a breakout of this resistance. Then we will look for a buy. Break out of this support area, we will start to look for that sell. Do you see that? I hope you understand that. And please, guys, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. For those who wants to learn, if you maybe you're struggling, if you know that it's tough, you're trying left and right, things don't go the way you want, you've been doing the same thing for quite some time, but you still have the same results. Guys, we have our mentorship. It's 6 months. It's actually $350 for you to learn. For those who wants to learn and start to create their own signals, start to create their own analysis without any problem. So let me know if you want to learn. So what's really happening on US30? We saw that the market was going up. Likely enough, we had a sell. Then the market is just struggling around this area. Maybe the market wants to create a proper support area. But even if that happens, there is nothing we can do, guys. There is nothing we can do at the moment. So which means we're going to mark this area, but we don't really have a resistance. Remember, if maybe we want to continue selling, it's either the market is going to give us a sort of a resistance so that we can continue selling, or maybe the market will create a support that it will end up breaking. With this type of a structure, maybe the market will end up going up before going even lower. But the best thing that we can do, we can see that we had a nice sell. At the moment, the market is not creating a proper structure. So the best thing is to just stay out, relax. It's Friday. Do you see that? Sometimes the problem is not maybe the market. The problem is you can't stay out of the market. You struggle staying out of the market. You always feel like you're missing something out. And you're not missing. It's how emotions work. Sometimes we just need to stay out. Yeah, you can do the analysis and say, you know what, I don't really need to trade today because things are not moving well this week. And we're not going to entertain the market just to take our money left and right. We already took some losses here and there. Do you see that? So now we are on Nasdaq. What's really happening? We can easily see that, yes, the market, it is still uptrending. So yes, the market has been breaking some areas. We had something like that as a support. Now we have the last one here. We don't really know which one is going to work at the moment. This one is the weakest of them all. But if you check it nicely, it can be something. If we look back, it's an area that maybe, I'm not saying that is going to work. It's an area that we can say it was the previous highest move or previous high, or it was the previous resistance. Then maybe now, maybe the market will try to reverse. But the best thing is the market can give us something already. The market already gave us something. That's why I've drawn that. So we don't really have to rely on every smaller move that we see, because we're going to have thousands of them, and that is going to be a problem. Do you see that? Do you see that? I hope you see that. So now I'm expecting to see a very nice move. I'm expecting maybe the market might also push even lower before we see a nice push, or maybe the market might actually continue going up. But I'm still positive that maybe the market will end up going up. But the best thing that I can do, or that we can do, let's wait for the economic news at 2:30. If they are positive, we're going to see the market going down, because the reason behind that, it means cutting the rates is going to be something else. It's not going to happen anytime soon. But if maybe PCE is going to be weaker, it means maybe we might see a very nice reversal, because that might give them a Federal Reserve a chance to think twice about the rates cuts. They can cut the rates or something like that. Because if everything keeps going up, they might even say they think maybe they have to increase the rates, and that is going to be bad for our stock market. Do you see that? I hope you see that. So at the moment, let's push to the next one. Your S&P 500. S&P 500 created a very nice structure around this level. I thought maybe the market was going to go up. Guess what? The market keeps going down, but quite slower. So we out. But we have this structure of a support. But at the moment, we don't really need to entertain everything here. Let's just wait, and then we'll just see what will happen on the news, because we can't avoid that. That is actually something that we are waiting for. And if maybe the news are positive, as I already repeated several times, it's where we're gonna take a decision to buy. Yes, it can still be a very nice buy, because we have a nice reversal, and it can still continue going down if the news are going to be quite positive. That's the reality. And if maybe that is gonna be positive, it means we will start to look for sell positions. But you should think twice, because those companies in this S&Ps, Nasdaqs, it's not like they're crazy weak. It's easier for the market to sell and to recover very quick. That is also possible, because these companies are performing very well. You see, these companies are performing very well. So that's why it's difficult for them just to sell aggressively. They will sell and recover very quick. So you need to understand that this is not it's not currency pairs. It's actually the markets. Those companies are performing very well. Their estimates or their profits are still very nice. So it means, but the news might look bad, but maybe the sales that we expect, they might not really happen exactly as we think. You see, so we have to also think outside the box. So yeah, US oil, YTI, what's really happening? We've been actually on a nice downtrend structure. We also had a sell pending order there, but the market did give us this crazy rejection. But we know very well that yes, we were on this nice structure, thinking about selling, as we did actually have a sell, but that rejection was crazy. That rejection was actually crazy, but likely enough, the market did reverse back to our trades, but the stop loss was quite around this area. I think maybe some people, they did get out, but my signals, they come with open or take this, because open, it means you can be flexible with your stop losses according to the lot size that you are using, or maybe the risk that you're trying to take, right? So I'm expecting to see maybe a continuation of this sell. It seems like we are going to see this downtrend for quite long at the moment. So it means US oil can continue going even lower. But at the moment, I think it's much better for us who trade in Nasdaq just to relax for the news, because at the moment, things don't look nice. Things don't look nice, and the reversal might be crazy. So anyways, thank you very much. For those who wants to be part of the team, just know that we still have this special, but later on, from tomorrow, we're going to have this new prize. So if you want to be part of the team, just let me know. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. I will see you on the next one. Bye.